Good morning, children. In the last session, we studied about lists in HTML. In this session, we'll study about tables in HTML. The objective of the lesson is to introduce you to tables, table elements, and its properties. And by the end of the chapter, you will learn how to populate data in table. What is a table? Combination of rows and columns is called a table. When we want to populate the data in the form of matrix, we use tables. Table structure is frequently used in HTML. We use table tag to create a table. We need to first understand the table structure and how to define the table in HTML. A table is enclosed within table tag. Then comes the rows. Whenever you want to start a new row, you need to put in tr tag. That is the table row tag. Within each tr tag comes the td tag, that is table data tag. In this tag, you actually write the content of the table. This td tag you can consider as the columns. Okay, in every row there are n number of columns. So you will start a new row and then you can specify the columns in this and close the row. Let's understand it with this table syntax. Here we have started the table tag, then we have started one new row. Inside this row there are two td tags in which first cell and second cell are written. That means in the first row there are two columns. The content of the columns are first cell and second cell. Then we close the first row and then we are opening a new row. In this again there are two cells, two columns, that is third cell and fourth cell. We are closing the second row and then we are closing the. Now at certain times we want to give headings to the table. Like you want to create a table wherein you want serial number, name, class, roll number, like that in a table. For that we use th tag, that is table heading tag. In this second example, you can see we have started a table. We have started first row, then comes the th tag, first name, last name and age. Now this th tag, the table contents are automatically bold and centered. So whenever you want a certain content in the cell to be bold and centered, you can use th tag. Not necessarily for the headings, but in the middle of the table also you can use th tag. So here we have started first name, last name and age. Then we close the first row and then in the second row we are using td tag, the table data tag, wherein we are writing the actual contents of the. Once you run this code in your browser, you can see the table structure would look something like this. The headings first name, last name and age in bold, and then the rest of the contents of the table are listed. So this is how you create a table. Children, you try making the table on your own, writing the code of the table on your own and run it. If you have any queries, you can ask me. In the next session, we will study about the various table properties. Till then, happy learning.